Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to change Facebook profile picture without losing likes. What that have before. So let's get started. So first of all, update your Facebook app from your Play Store or App Store and then open it. And then go to your profile section and for your trust I'll show what likes this picture before. You can see this was one of my profile picture which have 1 likes and those have don't. So if I want to set those picture in right now and I will not lose any picture any likes. So you have to keep in your mind that if you want to choose any picture, then those picture have to under profile picture section. So without confusing, let's get started. First of all, click to the profile section here, then click to the select profile picture and go to your album section, and then you can see an option that profile picture section, and you have to choose any picture from profile picture. Then you won't lose any likes, comments or share. So I was so that I want to choose last picture here, and then click to the save option, and then Facebook app try to update our picture, and here you can see our picture is up to date, and click to the view profile picture, and you can see our picture date is same, likes is same. So if you select picture from your profile picture albums then you won't lose any likes, comment. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks. And if you have any problem, then don't forget to comment below and we will solve this. So see you in the next one. Bye.